What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, here to share my insights of the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors. Salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, like button for the YouTube algorithm, and do not forget to subscribe. Hey, I just got off the phone with Ryoshi, and he told me, he's looking over a few things, and he heard me saying that y'all aren't hitting that subscribe button. So make sure y'all hit that subscribe button if you're rocking with the Shib Army. But shout out to everybody for pulling up. We got to talk about what's going on today. I see a lot of people, uncertain. We got some doubt. We got a little bit of fear stirring up. But I want to just tell y'all, have no fear. This is what we, see play out time and time again. Whenever the federal whenever the Federal Reserve Chairman, Jerome Powell, has a meeting, he talks about inflation numbers. If he says something kind of negative, we're going to see that be priced into the market. Yesterday on the live stream, we talked about people pricing, or the market's pricing in bad news as soon as, it's kind of received. So even though those inflation numbers haven't been increased yet, people are expecting that to happen. So the market is instantly pricing that in. So what we're getting today for the wise investors is a discount. So, you might see the overall crypto market down 6.5% right now. We're back under that $1 trillion market cap level, but that's just giving some opportunities to buy some of your favorite assets for a cheaper price. So let's take a look real quick. We're gonna do a little technical analysis to break down what's going on. Also talk about some of these inflation numbers we got. So inflation has came down month over month for the last 3 months. However, it has not moved as much as they wanted it to or expected it to. So it's showing that, their efforts are having, kind of a little effort. So, they were debating on raising interest rates 0.5% or 0.75 basis points, or 75 basis points. So with the way the chairman talked, basically like he was, a little unhappy with things like that. We already know what that means. People are expecting them to use the bigger number of to raise inflation by, which is 75 basis points. So now the market is pricing that in. But we got food price up 13.5%, which is a decent amount. A lot of people are feeling that. That's why when you go to the grocery store, you're seeing, you're getting less and less groceries for the amount of money you used to be able to spend. Also, we got rent up 6.7%. I got a lot of real estate friends and people that I know that are telling me rents are going up, and they're feeling it. Also, electricity prices up 15.8%. Health insurance as well up 24.3%. So this is going to hurt a lot of people, which we're seeing it play out right now. A lot of people are spending less. They're spending more time at home. They're spending money only on necessities more often than people used to get the nicer things that are more brand name items. People are thinking twice, about spending that extra money right now because they're uncertain about, the future of the economy. But overall, with the interest rates lowering, that shows that, what they're trying to do is working some, just not as much as we expected. But I think that's a good thing for us because it gives us a nice, healthy correction. For us that are in this for the long term, we don't have anything to worry about, especially in Shiba Inu. We're still holding some key support levels that I told y'all about weeks ago. Like, as long as we hold these levels, things are still valid. And if we check the chart right now, we can see something nice playing out called a triple bottom. And I'm gonna show y'all how this is bullish. But first, let's take a look at these prices. We got Bitcoin down 9.2%, almost a 10% discount on Bitcoin. Y'all have to remember, sometimes, even though this looks bad, in the future, you won't be able to get this price again, so don't always be afraid of these red numbers, especially if you're a new investor. You have to learn that the red days is when you want to buy. You don't want to chase the green days when the price is already up 20, 30, 40%. You don't want to be buying that day. You want to wait till you see discounts in the market. So Ethereum down 6.3% at 1,615. BNB at 279, down 4.8%. XRP at 33 cents, down 5.3%. Cardano at 47 cents, down 6.9%. Solana $34, down 9.5%. Polkadot. So we see everything is pretty much down today. $7.18, down 7.5%. Doge at 6 cents, down 5.5%. Polygon at 86 cents, down 8.1%. And then we got SHIB down 5.2%, sitting at that 1222 level. So if we take a look at the ones higher than that, SHIB down 5%. So basically, out of all the main coins except BNB, out of the top 14 coins, even 15, Shiba Inu is holding the strongest during these conditions. So let's take a look closer at SHIB. Let's take a look at a few of these indicators. Also, take a look at this pattern that we see forming. So first off, we'll just point this out. So you see how we got the price touching 3 areas here. So basically 1, 2, and 3. This is what we call a triple bottom. Now, it doesn't always line up exactly perfect, but this is, pretty good right here for us to expect or predict what's likely to take place right here. So you can see the price came and tested this area 3 times. That's showing that no matter what sellers try to do, they can't push it down through this range. And eventually they're gonna lose strength and the buyers will take over. So this is a bullish reversal pattern. This is telling us that the price is likely to, flip and break out of this range. So we wanna take the high point where we're trading from and measure to see what the potential breakout is from here. So let's just say we break out here. That would put us around that 1600 level, which coincides with these areas that we see also if we look left in the chart. So where these areas where we see the price having some resistance here. So that gives us a good idea of what's likely to take place. And if this happens, then that might create some FOMO, get a lot of people afraid of missing out, which could eventually, push the price up even further to break this area here. So like I told y'all, this could push us to that 21 level that I told y'all we had to test. If we break this, what's going on right here, this could possibly put us in this range of that 21 level. So just by us having this pattern here, this pattern, if it plays out correctly, could cause this breakout to this area. And if we make it to this area, that can kind of complete that. Also, if we retest here and break back above it, that would also be a cup and handle pattern. So that could even, we can even predict that one and see, if we get that, what plays out. Let's see. So we know that if we measure from the top of the cup to the bottom of the cup, that gives us the breakout. So that's right around that 23, somewhere around that 23, 24 range. So we got, 2 different price targets around this area. If this plays out, this is what we're looking forward to. Can it happen? Yes, it's possible. This is what the chart is telling us. Will it happen? We don't know. We don't got a crystal ball right here. We're just trying to analyze the data on the chart and predict what's likely to happen. And this is the thing. We got to remember, we got a ton of Shiba Inu catalysts coming up as well. So that's going to be, working in favor of what's going on. We got the Ethereum merge. Hopefully that runs smoothly. If that goes smoothly, then that's going to be even more bullish for, this to play out. But, if we get something shaky going on with that, then, we got to analyze everything. But as long as we're holding this level here, we don't break that 10 level. Really, we got a little room. Also, we got a little room to this range right here. So as long as we don't really break that 10 level, let me drop support. So really, as long as we can hold this level here, we'll really be fine. So we got a little room. So could it break down to the downside? It's possible, but you want to watch that. So if we break down to the downside and we break this range here, that 1,000 level, then we might have to worry for the short term. In the long term, no, I wouldn't be worried, but it just means that we'll have to reanalyze what's playing out. But so I don't really mean worry, but just because honestly, we'll be buying the dip if it does break underneath that point. We'll be accumulating even more. Well, I will. So that's what we got for this video. Hopefully this is helpful. Let me know in the comment section if y'all appreciate this type of information. Salute to everybody for pulling up. We will have a live stream later on, so make sure you turn on those notifications. You want to pull up as soon as I go live. We're going to be breaking out everything going on today. We're going to get into some more news, and also I'll be bringing some people on the stream as well. So make sure and know that you will have to be on your camera, so you can't come on with a black screen or the avatar. You got to show up on the camera. But that's all we got for this video. Check the links in the description section of this video. Appreciate y'all for pulling up, and we are out.